apply toothpaste to your nails, and you won't need to spend a dime at the doctor's office. Hello, and welcome back to Clever Tricks. How are you doing today? I truly hope everything's going great with you. Today, I'm going to share 2 super useful, money-saving tips that you can easily apply in your daily life. It's honestly amazing that we get to connect with each other from all around the world. For our first tip, all you need is a small bowl, just like this one. Our main ingredient is toothpaste. I'll be using about a tablespoon's worth. If you're enjoying content like this, go ahead and leave a comment below. I really want to keep sharing more tips to help you save money. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Now we're going to add coconut oil. About 1 tablespoon should do it. If you don't have coconut oil at home, olive oil works perfectly too. Next, we'll use 3 tablespoons of regular salt, the kind you already have sitting in your kitchen. Now, it's really important to mix all these ingredients well, until it becomes a smooth, consistent paste. Keep stirring until the oil is fully combined with the toothpaste and salt. It should start looking just like this. Let me know in the comments which country you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug. So what exactly is this recipe for? If you're dealing with weak, brittle nails or even nail fungus, this is a simple and effective solution. Just take some of the paste and apply it to all of your nails. It works for both fingernails and toenails. This mixture helps strengthen your nails while preventing fungal growth. Your nails will no longer look yellow or unhealthy. Instead, they'll be brighter, stronger, and much healthier. Use this recipe once a day for 30 days, then come back and tell me your results in the comments. You'll see a big difference. Now, let's move on to our second recipe. This one's for your feet. Just like before, we start with toothpaste, any brand you have on hand. Here, I'm using about a teaspoon. Next, add 1 tablespoon of your favorite moisturizer. No need for anything specific. Just use whatever you normally put on your skin. Now, pay close attention to this next step. We're adding 3 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. No coconut oil. Olive oil works just as well. Now stir it all together really well, mixing with some force so everything combines into a smooth, even mixture. When you're done, it should look just like this. If you struggle with yellow-toned skin, cracked heels, or unpleasant foot odor, here's exactly what to do. Before bed, take the mixture you just prepared and apply it generously all over your feet. And while it soaks in, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button to support the channel. Then use the mixture to gently exfoliate your feet, leaving your skin feeling completely clean and refreshed. This mixture is fantastic, thanks to its natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. It neutralizes odors, helps heal those painful cracks, and leaves the skin on your feet looking beautiful, soft, and much stronger. Simply leave the mixture on for about 10 minutes, then rinse it off thoroughly with water. Repeat this every night for 30 days and you'll see a massive improvement in the health and appearance of your feet. Give this a try at home. I'm confident this recipe will work out for you, and you'll want to share it with your friends and family. I really hope you enjoyed these 2 simple recipes today. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like and share it with your loved ones. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.